Said to be the Australian version of Succession, Territory is a cowboy drama from Netflix that released in October 2024. The six-episode show is helmed by Ben Davies and Timothy Lee, and stars familiar faces such as Anna Torv, Robert Taylor, Sam Corlett, Jay Ryan, and Michael Dorman. Territory Season 1 focuses on the Lawson family, who own the biggest cattle empire in the Northern Territory and their cattle station, Marianne Station, which is coveted by neighboring rivals. After the mysterious death of the owner, Daniel Lawson, their legacy is on the verge of destroying itself as vultures surround the station and family politics tear the Lawsons apart. Graham Lawson, Daniel's older brother and an alcoholic, vies for the station while his father, Colin the stubborn patriarch, wishes to hand it over to Graham's estranged son and black sheep, Marshall. Not to be left out, Graham's wife is Emily Hodge, who comes from a rival family and wants a cut of the empire for Susie, her daughter with Graham. If that is not enough, Sandra Kirby, a corporate stooge, teams up with Emily's cowboy ex, Campbell Miller, to take down the Lawsons and use their land for her mining endeavors. Finally, caught in the crossfire is Nolan, who does his best to launch a cattle station for the Aboriginal community and ensure that the Lawsons give back the land that rightfully belongs to them. Phew, that's a lot, and just like Succession or even Yellowstone, Territory Season 1 embarks on an ambitious tale which deals with different themes of family drama, betrayals, and big bad baddies hellbent on taking down the main family. The Australian Western takes stock of its arsenal and goes all out by exploiting the locations, giving us some beautiful shots of the Australian countryside and its culture. It also acknowledges the native customs in the form of the Aboriginal community, showing Nolan's young apprentice the ways of their world and sacred sites. And while Territory Season 1 tries to fit in as many subplots as it can, the cast keeps up and gives us a believable portrayal of cattlemen. Anna Torv of the French fame easily leads the ensemble cast with her mysterious Emily, who is a woman who keeps her cards close to her. And while she plays all sides, we cannot help but root for her. However, the pacing of the Netflix show is quite slow and meandering, as it uses all 6 episodes to figure out how they want to tell the story. This leads to a lot of filler scenes meant for exposition, mini conflicts to flesh out the characters, and vague setups with payoffs that will happen in the sequel if that is ever greenlit. But if viewers can sit through the first 2 episodes, the plot picks up in the middle act and keeps us hooked with intriguing plot twists and high-stakes suspense. Unfortunately, Territory Season 1 loses steam once more in the finale, as the standoff is punctuated with incomplete revelations, which is meant to push Netflix into renewing the show for a second season. However, this just leads to an incomplete resolution, a problem that we see in several Netflix shows nowadays as showrunners get greedy and focus on renewals rather than storytelling. And while we wait for Season 2 to fix things, Territory Season 1 will have to be chalked off as an entertaining but convoluted, incomplete family drama.